Now let's jump to the video. Okay, let's start our face with a very clean face using the Garnier Micellar Oil-Infused water. You can use any micellar water that you have. Grab your spoolie. For this makeup look, I am going to use an eyebrow soap. I got mine from Handmade PH. It's only for 115 pesos. And it comes with this soap mix. So just spray, grab your spoolie, and brush your eyebrows upward or to your liking. Get a flat brush, any concealer or eyeshadow primer. I will be using the PLousie base shade number 1, and we are going to clean the underbrow. And grabbing an angle fluff brush for the eye. Use an eyeshadow primer and then pack it all over our eyelid. Make sure you spread it evenly. Grab a clean blending brush and any loose powder that you have to set the eyeshadow primer. Using this color, I'm going to bring back the color of my eyelid. So any super light cream beige color that you have in your eye palette. Using the shader brush, grab a warm light brown, and now we are going to create our imaginary lid. This is higher than my normal lid. And using a pencil brush, use a dark brown warm shade. And let's draw an outline for our imaginary eyelid, making my eyelid bigger than usual. Starting from the outer V and then blend it inwards. Get your blending brush and let's blend the harsh edges. With the same pencil brush, I am now going to get a darker shade. This time it's a dark, cooler tone brown. And we are going to create the outer V. Your synthetic flat brush and a eyeshadow primer, and let's carve the crease. We are going to cut it higher than our usual eyelid so that it will create an illusion that we have a very big eyes. lining is you are going to add color or dimension under your eyelashes. With the same pen, we are going to add this brown shade here under our eye. And we are going to smoke that out later. Here's the same pencil brush. And using the cool tone dark brown and smudge it. For my waterline, I am going to use the Sunnies Face eyebrow pen. And now let's curl our lashes and add brown mascara. So for the mascara, I'll be using this warm brown eyebrow gel. This is perfect for the bottom lashes, but not really on the regular lashes. I'm using a flat brush, and I'll be mixing 120 and 220 shade from the Maybelline Fit Me Liquid Foundation. As you can see, it is lighter than my usual color, but I have to do this because my sweat oxidizes the color. And a minimal amount of concealer. And then blend it with the small fluffy brush. Use dabbing motion to set the concealer. Don't swipe or else it will remove or move the product. Get any contour cream that you have. I'm using my NYX contour palette and using the angled fluff brush. And slightly contour my face. And this big tapered brush, I'll be using this to powder my under eye and cheekbone using the Nichido compact powder. And this angled blending brush to bronze my face and do a small nose contour. And using a very small precise brush, let's highlight the nose. I think that's the whole look of the face. Now let's add a blush. I'm using the Cool Round from Nichido. This is brown. Using the two-finger method, add your blush to have that lift look. By the way, this is a dome brush. And now let's get our highlighter brush. I'll be using this gold shimmer shadow as my highlighter. And using the same Maybelline eyebrow pencil, use it to outline my lips. I don't have a perfect brown lipstick, but I have 4 shades here that is brownish red. Let's try which one is better. So this is Sunnies Girl Crush. It's pretty. Next will be one of my liquid lipsticks, still under development. This is sort of red brown. Next will be more red than brown. Yes, this is a warm brown. I think I'll be using this one. This is pretty much done. I will just do some fixing, finalize the look, and I'll be back.